I've been performing automotive shop work as a mechanic technician and also as a welder for years. How many years? 52 years professionally. In that time, I've seen many changes in the labeling and safe practices of automotive shops. While we have a lot of information about health and safety, many of the products used today are as hazardous as products used 50 years ago. But today we have the good sense to protect ourselves. Often overlooked in do-it-yourself work, and even in shops, when we get in a hurry, is safety. For safety products, I turn to 3M and always have. And I'd like to share with you some of the 3M products that I consider absolutely essential in my shop.
The 3M nitrile gloves are used to protect hands from most solvents and offer comfortable and reliable hand protection. 3M nitrile gloves are puncture resistant, so solvents can stay on the gloves and not on your hands. They're made of synthetic rubber and are latex-free. This helps reduce skin irritation. The 3M nitrile gloves are a great choice in hand protection for both pros and the do-it-yourself user. Cuts and nicks do not have to be a part of your daily routine. 3M Comfort Grip gloves are cut resistant. These gloves are EN 3884544 and ANSI Cut Level 3 for improved hand protection from mechanical risks. The ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene composite liner provides greater cut, puncture, and tear resistance. Foamed nitrile palm provides excellent grip even in wet or oily conditions. These are long-lasting, durable, and washable gloves. They are a must item if you're doing heavy work. All of us have spray painted and primed without adequate protection at one time or another. Modern epoxy and urethane paints are high in VOCs. They flash readily, and so will your lungs without adequate protection. This is a competitive brand protective hood that came with my fresh air supply system, and I'd like to show you some major differences between this hood and 3M products. For openers, and obviously, the fresh air tube is loose and floppy, expected to stay in the top of the hood with this flimsy and virtually useless hood support, while my turbine air supply has HEPA filters and does an incredible job supplying fresh air sourced far away from the paint site. This hood is virtually useless. By comparison, let's look at the VersaFlow system from 3M. This VersaFlow hood support will last for years. It offers a full structural support for the hood assembly. Hoods are available with an inner collar or a full inner shroud. Note the quality of the air supply hose, which works with the VersaFlow filtration system. Some of the features of the VersaFlow S-Series hoods are all-day comfort, versatility, excellent airflow, high-performance APF, assigned protection factor of 1000 for the S-Series hoods when used as part of a NIOSH-approved powered or supplied air respirator system, fast assembly, and simple maintenance. VersaFlow is a complete and compatible system that meets NIOSH requirements if all components are in place. Modifications or use of other air supplies than the 3M air supply system are not considered part of the NIOSH system. At the 3M official website, you will find brochures and details on the VersaFlow systems and the components that are compatible. Download a brochure to be certain that you're getting the right components for your shop use. An air pressurized hood is an excellent way to protect yourself from harmful fumes and paints. Respirators are only partial protection. Most of the modern paints with VOCs are attracted to moist areas of the body like nostrils, the mouth, eyes, and ears. Skin, of course, is always vulnerable, and the best protection is to use a hood that is pressurized, has a fresh air supply, and full coveralls. Clear shields make it much easier to keep the VersaFlow hood visor clean and extend the hood life considerably. These peel-off screens are designed for the 3M hoods. The 3M disposable protective coveralls are the perfect match for this hood. Protective coveralls help protect you against certain light liquid splashes and hazardous dust. Lightweight, breathable material helps keep you cool and comfortable. Extra room in the arms and legs allows for free movement on the job, which is important when your arms are moving a paint gun. Seamless shoulders and sleeve tops help provide increased comfort and fewer potential entry points for contaminants. 3M disposable protective coveralls are safety workwear that meet the ANSI 101-1996 guidelines. 3M disposable protective coveralls safety workwear offers high-performance protection while delivering comfort and features lightweight, breathable material technologies. There's extra room for enhanced mobility, two-way zippers for added on and off convenience, and storm flaps and seamless shoulders and sleeve tops for extra protection. These coveralls are made from SMMMS material, which helps provide increased breathability and a barrier against hazardous particles and limited liquid splashes. All sizes have anti-static treatment, knit cuffs, and elastic waist and ankles for increased comfort and mobility. The 3M disposable protective coveralls meet government standards for Type 6 splashes, Type 5 dust, anti-static, and nuclear protection. These coveralls do not contain components made from natural rubber latex, which helps prevent reactions from users with latex sensitivities or restrictions. Used in conjunction with the VersaFlow hood assembly, this is the optimal way to protect yourself when painting or using